Morgan was unlike any other 10-year-old. Music flowed through her heart. One sunny morning, she discovered a curious robot named Echo in her attic, who loved to teach through tunes. Today, Echo chimed, we'll explore acoustics. Echo blinked in glee and explained, Acoustics is the science of sound, Morgan. It's how sound waves travel through the air. They began by gently strumming her guitar, as Echo visualized the waves emanating. With each string Morgan plucked, Echo projected colorful waves. See? The strings vibrate, creating sound waves that move like ripples in a pond, reaching our ears as music. Echo eagerly nodded. Let's experiment! They tapped on different items in the room, glass, wood, metal, noting the unique sounds each made. Their own symphony of science. Laughing, Morgan admitted, The metal's hum is my favorite. Echo agreed. Ah, the joy of resonance. When objects naturally vibrate at the same frequency, harmony is born. They then explored pitch by blowing into bottles filled with varying levels of water. Echo explained, less water means a faster vibration and a higher pitch. Each bottle harmonized like a choir. Buoyed by harmony and science, they crafted a pan flute from old straws. As Morgan played a melody, Echo projected notes dancing in the air, a glorious music and science festival for the young and curious mind.